I decided that I'm going to use this crappy power strip with my power tools because none of them require grounding. So I took these little unconnected pieces of metal. I took these out. If you remember, they were just put here and not connected to anything. The most they could do is short out the two active leads, so yeah, they suck. And now what I want to do is get rid of these two pins which do nothing here, and also this grounding. Let's get that out right now. Yeah, and also these two pins. So to take them out, well, if you can see, they are in a really bad position, really close to the center socket, the socket in the middle. If you insert something here, then this plate can't bend properly, and it moves the pin. This was not well designed, not well at all. So to remove this, I will try to grind down this, what do you call it? Pin, fastener, whatever. The main thing is that you have to take off its cap, and then it will fall down. So this side or the other, first let me see if it's aluminium. If it's aluminium, maybe I can do something with maybe, but I'll just grind it away on this side. So yeah, let's take out the other one too, and let's get the grinding wheel. So let's see. Yeah, it's missing a leg, but it's no problem. So yeah, how, like this? Just grind away? Okay, let's try it. Okay, so I got the top off, I mean the head or whatever you call it. Now let's see if I can remove it. Nope, it's not coming out. Oh boy, then I have to grind the other half. So let's see, like this. Oops, that did it. It's free. And let's see the damage. Not much damage to the hole. It's still okay. Okay, so I'll have to grind away the bigger one, the bigger head, this one. Let's try this one. Oh, before I do it, this is almost inside where the plug needs to go, the pin of the plug. Yeah, who designed this? This is really stupid. Okay, let's grind. Okay, it's done. Here it is. And here's the other one. Okay. So now, let me get rid of this. And let's see how can we solder something to this. Oh, yeah. So, here's the cable. And can it come in through this hole? No. We have to make a hole for it. Let's try to make this hole bigger. Like with a tool or something. Maybe if I break out the middle. Yeah, that's what I should do. Just break it. Or start cutting from the bottom. That can also be a solution. Let's see. If I cut here, do I get anywhere? Nope. Need a better idea. So with scissors, just make the hole larger, like in kindergarten. That could work. Just twist it. And this is funny. You would expect that this edge is cutting, but the outer edge is sharper, and that's cutting the plastic. Oh boy, that is dumb. Who designed these scissors? Okay, so let's see. Now it fits, but the rest of it is not, doesn't have proper dimensions. So can I enter here? Maybe. Am I doing it right? Or there's only the wrong way, and an even worse way. Okay, I think that did it. Oh, maybe I should have come in with the two wires through the two holes. But then I'd have to insulate it outside. That's not good. Okay, so I break that off. Can I reach with this one? No, I can't. With these? Yeah. So just break them off. I mean one of them, because the other one I don't care about. Just this. So the cable will come in here and we connect to the two plates. And that's it. No grounding, because my tools don't need it anyway. So this needs more trimming. What's happening here? Really? It's not enough? Oh boy. It's not coming out. Yeah. The cable fell off. Okay, now it's going in. Perfect. So it's a long cable. I don't need it to be tightened here. If I trip on it, it's long enough. It won't undo the solderings here. Okay. So let's see. One of these. Oh, and it will be in the way. Okay, I see the problem now. So I'll just have to strip it and pull it back, so only the two wires come up to this level. So yeah, let's see. That means stripping like this much and cutting the grounding because we don't need that. And this is the grounding, which is cut right now. Hopefully it won't connect to anything to short out my stuff. This is 1 and this is 2. And we need some of that soldering paste. What do you call it? Flux or something. It's here. Like this to make a good connection. So yeah, my plan is that I'll pull this back like this, and this will reach the other. Yeah, it will, like that. I need slightly more, just a bit more. Okay, that's enough, I think. Because the cable is not coming in the center, it's coming in on the side, so one of them needs to be longer. But it's not a problem if both are longer. And cut off the grounding and put some solder on. Let's see. Solder. That's 1, mostly okay job, and this is 2, also mostly okay. Perfect if it's mostly okay. So let's put it back in, and that's plan. So one of these with a hole pair up with one of these without a hole. In theory. Yep. And which side is better? Oh boy, this end is ruined. I'll have to straighten that. What happened here? I swear I didn't force in a plug. But this is garbage here. What? Yeah. Then I'll have to use this. But it's crap. Really crap. It's bent backwards here. When the plug tries to come in from the top. What the hell? Maybe if I turn it around like this. Huh. Yeah. Maybe. But it still sucks. Yeah, it's a lot better this way. I will force something in and then it will be okay. But this really sucks. Okay. So this will be on this side, hopefully. But what is holding it? Nothing is holding it. What? Oh, there are the markings where the holes go, whatever. Like that. And it's not going in all the way. What? Oh, okay. So I think I will solder these two together. Yeah, they shouldn't move. So let's see. Solder paste, solder something. Solder and this paste. And just attack right here. Like that. And it will be enough. Yep, okay. That's progress. And then yeah. This kind of sucks, but what you gonna do? So it's gonna be like that, and I'll solder this right here. Let's make another good connection with some paste or whatever you call it. I don't know what it's called. That makes a cleaner surface for soldering. Okay, that's the brown, let's say. And it's only on one side, so if the plug going in will separate the two plates, it's no problem. So yeah, that's mostly okay. And let's see the other one. This is faulty too, probably, because why not? Why should it be easy? So mostly okay. Just the ends. I don't know what happened to this end. Yeah, now it's better. And the other end, that's also messed up. It's not flat. It should be flat. Come on, whatever. Yeah, this sucks. Oh boy, whatever. Let's just put it together and try it out. Hopefully most of the ports will work. Oh, and it's not straight. Yay. What the hell? I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it really sucks. Oh boy. the holes are not matching. But yeah, let's just solder them together like this and whatever. Let's get some solder, some paste, and unite these two shitty plates. Like that. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, whatever. It will suck. Oh boy. Now, let's connect the wire. Hopefully not to the same plate. Yeah. I don't think I ever did that. But it would be funny to trip the circuit breaker. So yeah, let's just make a soldering point here. Okay. And solder the wire. Like that, probably. What tactic should I use? I have to push it with something. Hopefully not my hand. Like this. Okay. Okay. It's done. Not the best solder, but it will be okay. So yeah, no insulation needed on the exterior. Holes match up. Yeah, I think it's okay. Here's a charger. I can put it in. Not very tight on the ends, but tight in the middle. In the middle it's okay, so I will push the large plugs, I will plug in on the two ends, and the smaller ones in the middle. Okay, no problem. That is usable. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. For a really bad product, it's perfect. Okay. So, yeah. What did we learn here? At a crappy $2 product with how much? With a half an hour of work, it's almost usable. Oh, half an hour of work, but I also did some planning. I was trying to imagine what I can do. That was probably another hour trying to plan the best strategy to use with these. Yeah, at least the screws don't break. But otherwise, this is a really crappy product. Yeah. Yeah, tighten it some more. And maybe I'll put some electrical tape right around this because it's bending and maybe some metal particles could get in and complicate things. I don't want that. But they can get in here too, so I don't know. Yeah, maybe some electrical tape, yeah, that would be the best. This is still moving. Why the hell? The screw is almost at the end. Yeah. Electrical tape it is.